If you find cooking a whole turkey on Thanksgiving dinner a little bit intimidating, this recipe is for you. I'm about to show you how to make a juicy baked turkey wings recipe that is jam-packed with so much flavor. Your taste buds will not even believe what's going on, okay? I'm letting you know right now. It is so easy to make, takes almost no effort, guys. I got you. And I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's not waste any more time and get right on into it. Let's get started. So we are going to begin with beautiful turkey wings. Got these at my local grocery store. And I'm just gonna slice them up and separate the flat from the drum. Very easy. I kind of cut through that skin like so. Gave it a little pop to kind of break that little joint there. Grab my knife and just slice in between. You wanna go ahead and do that to all your turkey wings until you have them all separated. And let me know in the comments below, is it flats or is it drums? And you know what it is, man. You already know the motto, flats is where it's at. It's just something special about them, okay? So what I'm doing now is drizzling a little bit of oil onto these bad boys. I'm gonna grab my masseuse hat, put it on, and give these turkey wings a luxurious massage as we always do. Moving on, you know, we gotta season them up proper. On the screen, I have listed everything you need to do so, and it will be listed in the description box as well as all the other ingredients that you need for this recipe. So go ham, go crazy, be generous, and season that turkey like your life depends on it, baby. All right, you're gonna season that first side, massage it on in, give it a flip, and do the same thing to the other side, get it nice and coated as we move on to the next step. And let me know in the comments below, have you seen our last video? We made some gumbo style collard greens. So amazing, so delicious, so easy to make. We had andouille sausage, we had shrimp, we had bacon. We had so many amazing ingredients. Can't forget the smoked turkey in that as well. And I was thinking to myself, it would be kind of crazy but yet perfect if I threw some Dungeness crab in there too. Ooh, I really might end up doing that for Thanksgiving. I ain't gonna lie to you. So our turkey is seasoned up. I have my pan here to the side. I'm tossing in some bell peppers as well as some onions that are already sliced up. And I'm also gonna toss in a couple sprigs of rosemary and thyme, okay? You wanna get everything into the pan just like so. At this point, you wanna go ahead and have your oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm also gonna toss in some chicken broth to the bottom of this pan. This is some low sodium chicken broth, your preference, you know what I'm saying? I tossed in just enough that it, you know, it kind of covered the veggies, but not to the very top because I don't want it to rinse off all the yummy seasoning that we have on our turkey. So that's kind of the threshold we're working with. Now I'm just tossing our turkey wings right on into this pan. I try to fit everything in there, but one of them did not fit. That's okay. I'll cook that one in the air fryer. So there we go. We're gonna cook this uncovered, very important, uncovered at 375 degrees for 90 minutes. And this should be the end result right here. If you see your liquid kind of dries up a little bit too quick, you could toss in a little bit in there during the cooking process. And once it's out of the oven, go ahead and grab a spoon and grab that sauce at the bottom of the pan. That's some yummy sauce right there. And go ahead and baste up your turkey. Put that right on top just like so. Sprinkle a little bit of freshly chopped parsley and you are ready to bust down. So that's what we're about to do. I'm gonna give this a try, okay? All right, now we are looking good, smelling good. You know we gotta give them a try. So you know it's flats all day, so that's what we gotta grab first. And man, this is looking so good right here. Wow, 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 look at this. You know, I'm a little savage. I could've got a knife and fork trying to be cute or whatever, but we just gonna manhandle this thing right here and take a big old bite. I'm gonna let you know how it's tasting, all right? My goodness. My goodness, I have outdone myself with this one, man. First of all, look how tender this is. You know what I'm saying? I'm just tearing this bone out, no effort at all. So juicy on the inside. This is just amazing right here, guys. So good. If you're worried about dry turkey, you're not getting none of that right here with this recipe. Come on now. First it was the collard greens, now this one, okay? Gotta have the collard greens, gotta have this one, and I got a bunch of more recipes coming your way. Gotta bring you that pumpkin pie cheesecake along with a bunch of other recipes, you feel me? But this is just, it's amazing. You know, it's hard to find words sometimes when something is so good. Simply amazing. Hope you guys all enjoyed the recipe. I sure did. I'm about to go fix me a plate of rice with this right here and bust down. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Hit me with a like. That lets YouTube know you're loving the content. Go ahead and drop a comment down below as well. Let me know what you think about today's recipe. Let me know any suggestions you want to see as far as recipes on the next one. And as I mentioned on the last video, your boy is a real estate agent in the state of Florida. So if you're in the South Florida area, feel free to hit my line, ring me up, and I got you. I'm gonna take care of you and make sure you have an awesome experience with your sale or purchase or even your rental down here in beautiful South Florida. Thank you guys all for watching. I'm gonna leave you with a beautiful B-roll and I'm out. Deuces.